Hello, neurodiagnostic community. I'm Scott Moore, host of the IONM for Life podcast, senior neuromonitoring specialist and career consultant with Neuro Pathway. Recently, Neuro Pathway announced that anyone attending Tabitha Althoff's online on-demand lecture, Electric Echoes, Unveiling the Mysteries of EEG Artifact, would be entered into a drawing for a one-year free membership to ASSET, the Neurodiagnostic Professional Society. The first 300 people to watch this lecture received a free CEU credit through ASSET, and now, if you're one of those neurodiagnostic professionals, you might be receiving a free membership with ASSET. Here at NeuroPathway, we love our professional societies. There are so many resources and tools available to you through a group like ASSET. Not to mention the networking, the great conferences. That's where I got my t-shirt. It kept me cool in the 117-degree heat in Phoenix in July. You know, I've seen a lot of our field in 20 years as a neurodiagnostic professional, and here at NeuroPathway, I've come to appreciate that our role is to support the entire neurodiagnostic community. We believe in helping talent find their next opportunity. We work for our hiring partners to help them get the staffing they need so that people can take their time off or get the training opportunities that they need. And above all, provide optimal service for our patients. One of the ways we do this is by offering board prep, interview prep, on-demand lectures from some real rock stars in our field, and none are more awesome than Tabitha. Tabitha is program director, clinical educator at Advocate Aurora Health. Tabitha founded the first seat Bachelor Neurodiagnostic Technology program in which students will graduate dual registered in both REEGT and EP, and they become board eligible upon graduation for a third and fourth. That would be your CLTM and your CNIM. There's so much more to Tabitha's story, and fortunately, Tabitha has agreed to come on the IONM for Life podcast in season 3 to tell us more about the impact this neurodiagnostic rockstar is making in healthcare. All right, so we took the names of everyone who signed up for Tabitha's lecture and entered them into our drawing. You can check out Tabitha's lecture and a host of other great resources at myneuropathway.com. Come check us out. If you want to schedule a call with me, you can send me an email at scott@myneuropathway.com. Come check us out. Here's a QR code if you want to schedule a call with me to talk about what we can do for your career or your neurodiagnostic program if you're a hiring partner. All right, so let's spin the wheel and find out who has a free membership to ASSET. Here we go. Okay, we're going to spin this wheel and find out who is going to win a one-year paid membership to ASSET, compliments of Neuro Pathway. We are underway. The wheel is spinning. Takara McLean, congratulations! You have won a one-year paid membership to ASSET, compliments of Neuro Pathway. Thank you for checking out Tabitha Althoff's lecture series on our website, myneuropathway.com. Thank you all for participating. Thank you for checking out Tabitha's lecture on our website, myneuropathway.com. There's a host of other great lectures on there. Go earn some free CEUs and connect with us at NeuroPathway. We're so happy to help you find your next career match in neurodiagnostics. That's all for now. I'm Scott Moore with NeuroPathway, and I will see you on the next episode.